There, what is that?
Check inside.
What is disconnected?
Check is there. What is there inside?
But
No.
what is this side? What is this side connected? Check there. Pull it. What is there? What is there? Is there something?
Pull the cord, babe.
Pull it. Oi!
What's that?
Oi! What is that, baby?
Huh? What is that?
It's a big thing.
Santa Claus has hidden it there.
Why Santa Claus did not put inside the socks, huh?
I don't know.
What's that?
Oi! So big color ba?
Hello?
You like that?
Yes.
Huh? Santa Claus gift paint for baby.
Let's open it.
Love, what will you say to Santa Claus there? Oh.
Thank you, Santa Claus. There is snow today.
There's no today.
See color. Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 36, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 37, 38, 39, 36, 38.
How many?
Very good. 38. Very good.
38.
Can I paint?
Okay.
It's okay.
It's my brush. So I don't open my brush.
Santa Claus knows that you like painting, huh?
Yes. This is
Keep it.
a brush cup.
Brush up, very good.
So pink, but it's pretend. It's real. And it was so pink. Butterfly make.
Are you happy?
Which one you want to paint?
Dumbo.
Dumbo po.
I don't finish that. If I don't finish that, then I finish the jelly.
She finished already. Parang ubos na din itong Dumbo book eh. Oh, it's still there. Don't put so much water in the color, okay?
Very.
Good job.
Wrap me up in the winter's cold. Hang the lights in the mistletoe. Come around like the year before, while we savor the great indoors.
Lemon water tayo, guys.
I don't need a gift to know you got me, just to make me feel at home. Just a simple wish to make me happy, so that I can feel you close. Just one thing I'm asking for, give me love.
We are getting ready because we are going to Kushalnagar. We are going to pick up our car. Pina-service namin siya like 5 days ago ata. And then, doon na lang namin hihintayin yung aming bisita. Doon na bus stop. Kasi mayroong stop sa Kushalnagar. So sabi ko, doon na lang namin siya hintayin. Dapat diretso siya dito sa Madikeri. Pero doon na lang para sabay-sabay kaming bumalik dito sa Madikeri. Let's go. Mag-bus lang kami, local bus. Let's go. Maybe your teacher will see you. Absent yan siya ngayon. Wala silang Christmas break. Ewan ko baka bukas pa. Pero yung ibang mga estudyante pumasok, si Mishka absent.
We are ready.
We are ready. Let's go. Walking papunta sa bus stand. 1 hour yung biyahe namin papunta sa Kushalnagar. Actually, mayroon namang service na sila yung mag-pick up and drop na aming sasakyan. Kasi yung pag-pick up dito, sila yung kumuha. Pero para makagala kami sa Kushalnagar, kami na lang yung mag-pick up doon. And then doon na lang pababain yung aming bisita para doon kami magkita and makagala pa kami konti doon sa Kushalnagar before umuwi dito sa Madikeri. Dito na tayo sa bus stand. Ayun sana yung bus ko. Our first time to ride the local bus.
Excited, Mishka. For me also, I'm sitting on local bus maybe after years too. No. When I came to join here that time, I was
Like 9 years.
no, not join. Madikeri.
Daddy,
Madikeri, 6 months.
So, one stop only. After dito sa Madikeri, Kushalnagar bus stop na kami. Ang init. Pinasultan siya ni Elfie ng jacket before umalis ng bahay. Kasi sa loob ng bahay, ang lamig. Pero dito mainit pa. Mamaya na. Our ticket, 74 rupees, 37 each.
2 people. Take us 1 hour.
1 hour.
The first time I'm sitting in local bus in 6 months after coming to Madikeri. And never been
With family also.
because without also. I have not experienced here in last 6 months. I'm taking local bus. Maybe
We will be trying everything here in Madikeri.
yeah.
Dito na kami ngayon sa Kushalnagar. Nadaanan na namin yung service center ng Kia. Kaya lang hindi ka pwedeng bumaba. 1 kilometer away mula dito. Yes na. We'll get our car first. Go. Where? Here's our car. Our Ferrari. Come here. Whose signature is this?
Okay. Alright. Good. Done. You want to check the AC?
Tapos lang naming magbayad. Yung sa parking namin doon guys, sa baba nung ginagawang bahay ni auntie. Dahil sa semento, kita nyo ba? Yung stain. Ayan. finally, kuha na din namin yung aming sasakyan. Pinaayos namin yung AC.
Some part were damaged, but some people were saying that no, they have replaced it. It could have been welded. So all this money, but we have spent almost 22,500, right?
Yeah. After 6 months, before kasi kami umalis ng Bangalore, pinaservice namin to. It's been like 7 months, no?
Yeah.
Pero the thing here in Madikeri is we have not been really driving this car.
So much.
Yeah.
Only
Once in a while, kapag
only long
last time we
trip was
went
this
to
one.
Mangalore.
That only there in last 6 months. Big trip.
Yeah, hindi namin siya ginagamit. Yung mga casual lang na labas namin because we are just using the scooter. So hindi talaga siya nagagamit dito sa sa Madikeri. Are you okay there?
Yes.
You're okay?
Yes.
She's okay. Now we are going to the bus stand. Or
Where she reached?
I'll check. Susunduin namin sa bus stand yung aming bisita. Still 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Is there any mall?
46 kilometer away.
Is there any mall in Madikeri? It is a
Kushalnagar.
Just check.
I'll see. Ito yung mall, guys. City Center, Kushalnagar.
So I have parked my car here. They are going to see some snacks. There's a bus stand this way. So I just parked next to that.
Kain muna kami while waiting. Meron kami ditong nakita na malapit kung saan kami nakapag-park. Meron daw silang fish. We'll have a meal on a banana leaf. You have to wipe it. You have to clean it with water.
Fish gravy.
This is yours, Mimi, okay?
Okay.
Lagyan natin siya ng plain.
Thanks. My best I don't feed.
It will come. Don't eat the biscuit now because we'll eat fish. Okay, keep it side. Wow, look.
Which one here?
What is this one? Kita ko na yung kanyang bus. Yan yung white yung kanyang bus. Ng driver at saka ng conductor. Kala ko ng police. Bisita, guys! Hi! Tita Samisi! Hi! How are you? Just girl! So, hindi ka natakot? Hindi, natulog ako ng natulog. Ang bright mo naman. Naka-brown siya and then yung bag niya naka-orange. Parang hindi ako mawala. Pagkakita mo, ay! Malayo pa kita ko na siya. Naka-orange siya kanyang bag. Dito, kumakain kami. Masarap dun, Sam. Tara, let's go. Ang lapit lang. Kain ka. Dito ka. Okay. Yan yung aming bisita, guys. Hi, Mimi. Now we are going back to Madikeri. Huwag niyong i-bash si Sam. Dito na naman siya. Sorry, I'm putting disclaimer. Do not bash Sam while she's here. She will be celebrating Christmas with us. Kasi yung asawa niya wala dito, guys. Nasa boat. Nasa boat yung kanyang asawa. So wala siyang kasama. So It's a good thing na
Okay.
binili na lang dito pumunta sa amin. Actually, she can stay in Bangalore. We have lots of friends in Bangalore. But she chose to come here and be with us, spend Christmas with us. So yan, we're heading back to Madikeri. Here in Kushalnagar, it's also very hot, no? Ang init din dito.
Tapos naka-outfit pa ako ng pang-police. At
Police, she's same with the conductor ng bus kanina, and then yung uniform ng police, same din. Police also, no? It's like that. Tingnan niyo yung mga sasakyan, guys, sa daan. Punong-puno ang Madikeri ngayon. Christmas yung iba. Christmas holiday. We're here now. Ang daming turista. Mamaya hapon makikita mo yan. It's early. It's 2:42. Aga pa. See, meron silang pa-star, oh. Ayan sa simbahan. Tour natin si Sam sa aming mansion. Hindi naman amin ito.
Ang laki ng mansion ni Jean.
Oh, ang hirap magwalis na sa exam, nakakapagod.
Ay, ito pala yung party na iba-iba ang party. At least na-experience ko, guys.
Ito yung room niya sa amin. Different persons.
Homestay.
Homestay. Homestay siya dyan. Paganda yung view dito sa... Tahimik ng life dito.
Parang wala kang problema.
Tapos ang weather ba, parang hindi nakakapagod. Kasi medyo malamig siya, hindi mainit.
Parang siyang Baguio.
Mishka and her favorite playmate naglalaro na. Si Tita Sam, puro Tita Sam na lang yung tawag nito eh. Tita Sam kahit saan.
A big tower.
We will make a big tower.
Is Tita Sam your, friend? Best friend? Yes?
Did you miss me? Oh, you did not forget me? Yeah.
Yes.
Mommy, I put these too many water in
Okay.
the
Uh-oh.
Tingnan yung ginagawa niya kay Sam.
What are you doing to my hand? Today is holy. Is it the holy festival? Naman na yung holy.
Kanina, painting lang yan sa kuko. Ngayon, buong kamay na nila pinipinturahan. Ay, nako. Gagala kaming mga girls. Tour natin sa Sam sa aming downtown area dito. You want chicken momos?
Chicken mama, chicken mama.
You want?
Happy siya, happy siya.
Happy siya.
Hi, vlogs.
Mag-hi
Hi,
ka na
vlogs.
sa iyong mga friends.
Hi, friends.
Huwag niyo siyang i-bash daw.
Relax lang kayo dyan. Stay put.
Mag-celebrate lang naman kami ng Christmas. And
Matagal
last year, magkasama din kami sa Christmas.
Yes.
This year. Next year, magkasama na naman kami niyan ulit. For sure. Basta magkikita kami yan next year. No, baby. We'll just walk. Tingnan mo, Sam. Ang lapit-lapit lang namin. Pagbaba mo dyan.
Ay, dito ba?
Basta
Short.
na. Shortcut.
Alam mo, gusto ko sa
Simple life
tahimik
lang.
na lugar lang
Oo.
din. Ay, parang nakikita ko ng mga kainan.
Kalma lang, maraming makakainan dito. Tapos alam mo, yung na-discover namin dito ni Abhi, masarap yung mga pagkain nila dito. Kasi nga maraming mga turista yung pupunta.
Oo.
So yung mga pagkain na siniserve na, masasarap talaga. So ma-enjoy mo yung mag-food trip dito sa
May
Madikeri.
probinsya ng Pilipinas.
Saan?
Di mo naamoy?
Dinala ko si Sam dito sa kinakainan namin ng momos.
Mukhang masarap yung mga.
Oh, masarap nga.
natin, girl.
Mag-food trip siya. Kaya nga iniisip ko, nadalhin talaga kita kasi mahilig to siya sa momos, guys. Ito yung kanilang menu. Masarap din yung veg noodles nila, Sam. Maliit lang dito, guys. Turo-turo. Hala. Happy siya. Happy siya. Chicken momos. Masarap talaga yung menu nila. Pag mga talaga. Tikman mo, Sam. Tikman mo. Masarap sila. Let's see the Sam try also.
Sige. Try me stuff. Eat it. And tell me if it is tasty. Hi, thank you. Oh, it is giving me, oh. Noodle. Thank you very much, Mishka.
You're sharing with Tita Sam.
You're sharing it with me.
Look. Parang iba yung noodles nila.
Mommy!
It's yummy.
Yummy naman. Uy, that is spicy, Mimi. Sabi ko na, mapaparami si Sam ng momo dito. Dito kami Smart Bazaar. Bumili ng mga lulutuin namin bukas. Konti lang yan. Tatlo lang naman yung menu namin. Okay na, kasi sa 25 kami magla-lunch talaga. Kung hindi mo kaya nilagay yung letter G, na-stock kami. Ang bigat ng mga nabili namin. Mga kulay para sa bihon or pancit. Exactly, sugar. Plano namin mag-cassava cake. Ito mga ingredients para sa cassava. Then banana. Orange. Busy kami kakapanood ng TV. Nag-movie marathon. Yan. Condensed milk. Burrito and some fruits.
You have forgotten that.
Nakalimutan namin bumili para sa medyas ni Mishka. I forgot. So, meron lang ako dito ang isang gem. Ilalagay sa kanyang medyas. I forgot also, Sam. Problema kami kung ano ilagay kay Mishka na medyas. Merong dala si Sam. Ilagay na lang siya. May mga pasalubong pa siya from Pinas. May kulaman pala ka. Pwede tayo magay sa Christmas. Sa Christmas na lang, no? Oo. Meron na kaming menu para sa aming Christmas lunch. Madala niya pa yan from Pilipinas. Ba't ang dami naman?
Ito yung sinasabi.
Kasi uuwi na naman siya ulit.
Oo, uuwi na naman ako.
Okay. Sige, itong lulutuin. Mabigat to. Ba't nagbaldala ka pa ng ketchup?
Hindi ko na mabubuksan yan kasi baka...
Sige, sa spaghetti na lang. Mag-spaghetti na lang tayo sa 25. Bukas natin to lutuin, yung bihon. Ba't ang dami yung dala? Para ka nag-grocery, Sam.
Hindi ako kumakain ng bigas.
Sa bahay lang siya namin kumakain ng bigas, guys. Ng kanin. Nagda-diet man yun siya.
Sabi ko, hindi ko man yan makain. Ito, galing to kay Madam Coraz. Ayan.
So, lutuin natin. Ano to?
Oo, ewan ko kung ano yan.
Homemade dessert. Basahin mo nga yung instruction.
Gagamit tayo ng Google.
Ang hirap naman magluto nito. Hindi natin maintindihan yung instruction. Ang dami niya palang bit-bit. Tapos may Del Monte ka pa. Pineapple. So, magsasalad tayo.
Oo, hindi ko. Kung inom ka ng Milo, so, ayan ang Milo. Binili ko ito sa Malaysia.
Saan mo binili?
Sa Malaysia.
Tapos hindi mo na iinumin?
Hindi, ang dami. Anong gusto mong gawin?
I like my channel, please press on my button, like